Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of polynomial functions and complex zeros. Sorry about that. The polynomial function p of x equals negative x minus 3 times x squared plus 4x minus 5. Which of the following describes the zeros of p? A, p has exactly two distinct real zeros. B, p has exactly three distinct real zeros. C is given as p has exactly one distinct real zero and no non-real zeros. And D, p has exactly one distinct real zero and two non-real zeros. To find the zeros of a polynomial function, we will make the factors equal 0. There are two factors here, and if we will make them equal 0, x minus 3 equals 0, and we have the second factor as x squared plus 4x minus 5, it is equal to 0. So when you add them, 3 to both sides, you get 3 for the first root. For the second one, you're going to use x and x, and 5 and 1. When you multiply 5 and 1, you're supposed to get negative 5. When you add them, you're supposed to get positive 4. Therefore, this will be negative and 5 will be positive. And we will write our factors as x plus 5 times x minus 1 is equal to 0. So which means that x plus 5 equals 0. Take away 5 from both sides. X will give you negative 5, and x minus 1 equals 0. When you add a 1 to both sides, x will be equal to 1. So technically, we have found negative 5, 1, and 3. Let me rewrite this 3. So this polynomial has 3 distinct real zeros then. Therefore, the correct answer is choice B for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.